Welcome back. Today we are going to find the smiles acrylic. Because of this, I am picking some cadmium yellow and very little bit of orange acrylic. Mix it well together for the color combination of smiles acrylic. After get it, I am going to bring one idea of how to paint an easy mountain. So we are needing recurring materials for our painting: 10 by 12 canvas board, flat brush size 24 long hand and flat brush size 4 short hand, small size of circles for moon and thick cardboard sheet. Needing acrylic colors black, white and smiles acrylic, which I have created already. The first step, I am going to create sky background. So I am moistening the flat brush size 24 and picking some smiles acrylic and little black. Mix it well together. Then apply it on the top on the canvas board from left hand side to the right hand side. And just blend it from one side to another side, the horizontal brush stroke. An acrylic painting, we can build new colors and create transparency, depth and gradation easily with layering. For this layering techniques, we need to wet each layer dry before applying the next. If we apply wet paint over a wet layer, the colors may blend in ways we did not intend. So good one that, as we can apply wet paint over wet for easily color mixing. Blending is nothing but merging of two or more colors on a brush with gradually sweeping horizontal brush strokes from one edge to another edge to get smooth and realistic look to painting. Here I am adding some smiles acrylic with the previous color again and just blend the colors together from left hand side to the right hand side. Whenever, just complete the blending before drying the paint on the canvas board. After that, just leave it a couple of minutes to dry this background. Now we can get the sky background that will be ready. And now I am going to creating outline of mountain using white crayons or white pencil to draw outline from the center of the canvas. If you don't have crayons or white pencil, just follow this. Otherwise, another method, here I am using masking tape and creating a mountain's outline like this shape from the center of the canvas board. The way you hold your brushes can play a role in acrylic painting. The type of brush you can use impact the appearances of brush strokes. You can use brushes with synthetic bristles. Brushes generally best for acrylic painting. It can be stiff or soft. Surface structure is very important. A smooth surface will result in good visible brush strokes. Try to experimenting with different techniques and different brushes in acrylic painting. Consider some factors that may affect the visibility of brush strokes in your painting. The next one, just creating sun. There are so many options. For example, we can create directly on the canvas. Otherwise, here I am showing another method, that is, take any round sheet as per your desire and applying white on outside and holding tightly, placing on the canvas in the middle of the sky background. And then give little pressure, hold it for a couple of seconds, take away slowly. Then let it dry. The method is easy for beginners. Next, picking some amount of black acrylic and just filling it with using moisturized flat brush. This segregation will be created the sky and mountain, the canvas board. Just fill in the mountain shape switching from the dark shade. Try to paint in shorter strokes for the best coverage in acrylic painting. Don't press too hard on the brush while you are painting. Give strokes gently without giving or adding any pressure. Whenever you feel hard to paint, wet your brush with water before painting. After After completing this, using palette knife size 1 to create mountain. If you don't have palette knife, please just follow this step to take a strong like cardboard thick sheet to make a shape of triangle and to create it like this instead of our palette knife. Now here the first step, take this sheet and applying one side of the edge of this thick sheet in black acrylic from one corner to the another corner like this. And next, smiles acrylic also applying from one corner to the another corner. Then white acrylic also do like this, and just easy way to create shade and depth part of the mountain. Now here I am dragging this paint slowly down step by step. Don't cover the full area, just cover it like this as I am doing. Here it's showing through it between spots. Once completing this, just leave it a couple of minutes to dry. After drying, now next step we are going to create the more light falling on the mountain. So here the light falling left side only, we are seeing here the moon left side of the canvas board. See, the first step over. The second step for this mountain, to give more light falling moonlight look on the mountain, I am using and sticking masking tape center of this mountain. Just do it as I am doing as per your wish. Again, I am using thick sheet and just apply one side of the edge of this thick sheet in Smiles acrylic first. Then applying the same way white acrylic. Then start from here, give some pressure and dragging the paint slowly down from the all over the corner of this masking tape. Just bring it like this, edge of the peak drag downwards. Do not bring the paint all the way, drag down deep and just finish it like this. Just drag until it kind of runs down. Continues this processing another two. For this mountain, the first and second step over, going to continue the third step to give more realistic look to the moonlight look on the mountain. The same way here also I am using the same thick sheet and just apply white acrylic only. First start from here, giving little less hand pressure and dragging the paint slowly from all over the corner of this masking tape and coming here to edge of the peak, drag downwards like this. If you feel harder to paint today, this means with a little practice, you feel easier to do tomorrow. So, don't feel hard. I am also learning day by day in nature. Just enjoy and create your own artwork. There is never ending. Just keep going on fun way in your artwork.